Hi, this is Brandon from Watches on You. Today we're taking a look at the Casio G-Shock GMWB5000D-1. And I'd like to remind you that we're at Continental Diamond in St. Louis Park taking a look at this watch. They have a wide selection of G-Shock watches, and this is one of my favorites that they currently have. So this, again, is the GMWB5000D, and it's modeled after the original G-Shock 5000 or DW5000C, and again, that's the original G-Shock. So this watch is kind of getting back to their roots, but it incorporates a lot of modern technology, such as the solar cell on the front, so it's obviously chargeable by the sun. And this watch also has Bluetooth connectivity, so it can connect to the G-Shock app on your smartphone where you can set the watch. Now, you can also, the watch is also automatically set with a multi-band kind of a six-band radio sensor where it can connect to a variety of atomic clocks around the world, so it'll be set at all times no matter where you are around the world. And that's a very cool and innovative feature that this watch has. So now I'll move on to kind of the functions of this watch. So as you see, this is kind of the main screen. You have your date, day, and then your time. Now, if you want to change the mode to explore the various features, you go right here to the mode button in the lower left corner. So this is the world time, so you can track a variety of time zones. This is perfect for travel, especially if you're going to be on a vacation where you'll be doing a lot of kind of sports and very active things. So if you're riding ATVs or something like that, this is the perfect watch for you. And I'll move on. This is the alarm, so you can set a series of 5 alarms during the day, which is very, very useful. Again, 5 alarms is quite impressive for a digital watch. Usually they only have about 1, so that's a feature I really like. So this is the Stopwatch, so it's a chronograph. Now it can track 1/100th of seconds, which is very accurate or very precise, I should say, for a digital watch. And again, this is much more precise than any mechanical watch that you would get. Now I know there's like the Tag Heuer micro girder that they made, but I should say this is more precise than most mechanical watches that you'd ever get. So this is the countdown timer, and again, an alarm will just sound after a certain amount of time has elapsed. And now we're back to the main screen. So this watch also comes with a light that you can't really see. It turned a little bit more blue there, but it's kind of the standard Indiglow Casio feature. And that's very useful, again, if you're using the watch at night. Now, another feature I really love about this watch that really shows the quality that they put into it is this clasp. You can see it's not the standard pressed metal variety that you'd see in pretty much any watch under $1,000. And they really kind of went above and beyond on that and made it really tough, sturdy, and high quality looking. So now I will put on the watch, and overall I'm really impressed with the finishing. You've got, again, both brushed and polished surfaces. Particularly the finishing on the front of the watch looks very impressive and modern. So as you can see on the wrist, it's got about a 43mm width, and that would look perfect on pretty much anyone's wrist, especially given that this is a very kind of sporty watch. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe and share, and also we'll be leaving links in the description to Continental Diamond's website as well as G-Shock's website where you can learn more about this piece. This watch is probably going to be very collectible as it is limited to 1 per household. So again, the retail price is $500, so get in contact with Continental Diamond if you'd like to purchase one. So thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.